Alexa, cooking time. So music plays automatically. You can set the mood with whatever you want it to be. And I can just enjoy my kitchen in the comfort of my home, always having the perfect ambience. And then if I move here, Alexa, dinner time. Lights will adjust automatically, and you can always have that romantic mood and feeling in your house when you want to. And then as I move to another space, Alexa, show living. So again, music adjusts automatically. Lights also adjust. And of course, every music can be customized to what you like. Today we've been changing it because it was a little sad. And it can be changed to whatever setting that you want of your preference. And as I move to the next space, here, Alexa, reading time. So it can be your meditation time, you can read the Bible, you can read a book. But again, every space adjusts automatically to whatever you need. Alexa, reading over.
Okay.
So I'm now in one of the favorite places of a lot of people, especially men, in our man cave or our home theater, of course. And lights have adjusted accordingly. I have a 110-inch TV here. And we've automated everything here, from controlling the TV, controlling the aircon, even the speaker system. This is a Sonos Wi-Fi speaker system, very popular in the US and fully compatible with LifeSmart. You can control them on our touch panels, and you can also do them with the voice command on them like what I'm doing now. Alexa, movie time.
Okay.
So the TV is now turning on. So I'm not holding any remote, nobody's holding any remote, just in case you think like I might have a staff pressing something. So nobody's doing anything. And there's a sequence that it's doing. So what we do is we can hide the remote. And now the TV is going to go through a content selection by itself on the USB. So now it's selecting a video, and it's going to play the video by itself. So what we did is we just set a program, copied the remote for it to play that content. So I think the sound is, the volume is low. Put it up. Where? I think we're missing the sound in the video. Anyway, the sound is connected by an HDMI cable, so we can set it up properly later. But maybe, let me diffuse this sound thing with something else. Alexa, movie over. Alexa, party time. So there you go. So again, if you want to set the mood, set the party to whatever tone, you can easily do it with any voice command that you want. So maybe I'm going to request prevent the leak, shut off the bulb automatically, and notify the right. So let's move on over here. So this is the smart hotel room. Well, a lot of people have probably experienced a hotel room like this already, like in Hong Kong, in Europe, some in the US or Korea or Japan. Not much here yet, but I'm hoping to see a lot more. So this is a smart hotel room. You have here the do not disturb. You have here the laundry and make up my room and the doorbell. Of course, I can ring this now to enter the room. I'm gonna get rid of the mic because the speaker is on the other side. So now I'm going to. This is one of our newest door locks. It's facial recognition. Biometrics are good. We have biometric door locks as well. But I personally have bad fingers and I have skin asthma. It takes me about a long time to enter my biometric. So I like facial recognition. So I just stand here and then I push the door and it's now open, right? Now, you can come closer. So, it's still a big group. So come inside. So I entered my face and the room has turned on automatically, but let me do that again. Let me do that again so you can see it. Yeah, you can. Some of you can come inside. So as you arrive, you can either, your biometric or your face can trigger an automation. Your guests can enter a code, your Airbnb guests can enter a code, and as soon as they arrive, everything turns on automatically. The curtains open, the aircon turns on, the lights turn on, and everything configures itself accordingly to what you set it to do, right? And the nice thing about LifeSmart is you notice, our system has already configured the buttons of the do not disturb, have laundry, and makeup room here. But you know, when you're in the bed already in the hotel, and you want to sleep, and you want to click the do not disturb button, you normally have to get up, go to the door, and click that, right? Almost all hotels have that. So we can easily configure remote controls everywhere around the room on your favorite scene. So I'm going to click the do not disturb button here, and you will see outside the people there, and you can try to press the doorbell, it won't ring anymore. So again, very convenient for the guests, right? There's no standing up anymore. And if I want to sleep, I can just click the night mode, and it's a good night, and everything will adjust accordingly. Now this is running without the need of internet connection. We want to make sure that the guest experience and what I'm showing you is not dependent on internet, because you know internet comes and goes. But of course, when internet is there, you can give them the voice commands as well. So I can easily say, echo, echo, sexy time. So again, this room will configure itself automatically. So, echo, sexy time over. That was a quick one, huh, James? Of course, I can also do the standard and any other voice command. And we have sensors here under the bed that at night time, if you want to go to the bathroom, lights will turn on automatically like in the movie house. We don't turn on the lights above because you know when you wake up at night and you want to pee and then your lights turn on and you're awake because it's too bright. So we've thought of things like that and made it more convenient for you by putting sensors all around and making things happen again automatically and with well thought of automations, right? And of course, when we leave this place, oh, by the way, we also have tunable lights. So these lights over here can change from warm to cool white. So it's white when you're looking for your contact lens on the floor, and it's warm for your romantic moments or ambient parties. So at any time, we can tune them, we can adjust the temperature, we can adjust the brightness to have perfect lighting all the time. And of course, when we're leaving the place, you know, when you're about to leave your condo, when you're about to leave your house, you want to check, did I turn off the lights in the bathroom? Did I turn off the lights in the walk-in closet or the aircon here and there? With one click, everything will just shut off. Curtains will close, Aircons will turn off, appliances will turn off, and you're ready to go. Allowing you to save energy, prolong the life of your equipment, prolong the life of your light bulbs, and many more. So that is case, that will ensure that your life is more convenient, you have more control, you are safe, you are secure, and most importantly, you save money in the end. Right? So making every home a smart home, making every office a smart office, and we want to help you build it the right way. Okay, so today though, I want to launch something together with you. This is a sub-brand of LifeSmart. I'm going to segue a little bit to the gaming industry. A lot of people know me in the gaming industry because Fine Upgrades is a distributor of many gaming products. And LifeSmart has a sub-brand called ColoLights. ColoLights is a gaming lighting system. You've probably seen it online, those hexagon lights and all of that. And they came up with the Colo GCS. The Colo GCS is the first ever 7.1.2 surround sound speaker for the PC to be built up that you can attach to any gaming chair. So let's move on over there, back to the kitchen. I'd like to thank here. So here it is. It's probably going to surprise you. It looks very futuristic. So are you guys ready? Yeah.
Let's go.
There. So it's probably the first time you've seen a speaker like this. It attaches to any gaming chair. This was already unveiled in Dubai. It was also unveiled in CES in the US. And for the first time, you're seeing it in the Philippines. So feel free to sit down and enjoy the sound yourself or try to play a game. Again, get immersed in the sound system and Wilbur and the team will assist you. But feel free to take close-up pictures. It looks very futuristic. You're like in a Star Trek or Star Wars. Again, it attaches to any gaming chair. Okay, enjoy.